Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the IBKR mobile app. First, download the app from your device's app store. Once installed, log in using your secure credentials. You'll then see the main dashboard, which provides a quick overview of your portfolio. Take a moment to explore the layout and locate key features like your account balance and watch lists. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready to manage your investments on the go. Navigating the IBKR mobile app is straightforward. Tap the menu icon, usually in the top left corner, to access all major sections like Portfolio, Trade, and Research. If you're looking for a specific asset, use the search bar at the top of the screen. You can also personalize your watch list to keep an eye on up to 50 of your preferred stocks or funds, making it easy to monitor their performance throughout the day. Placing a trade on the IBKR mobile app is efficient. Once you've found the asset you wish to trade, tap on it to view its details. Here, you can select your order type, whether it's a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Enter the quantity you want to buy or sell. Always review all the trade details carefully before confirming to ensure accuracy and prevent errors. Managing your account on the IBKR mobile app is simple. You can easily check your current account balance, review your transaction history, and even set up price alerts for specific stocks. These alerts notify you of significant market movements, helping you stay informed without constantly checking the app. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This ensures you're always on top of your investments and well prepared for your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.